Today, Juno was at Neville's house.
What are you doing there, Juno? Where's Neville?
He's gone out for the day, Umi, and I've got a nice surprise for him when he gets back.
I love surprises.
He told me his front room needs decorating, so I thought I'd do it for him.
Did you say a surprise for Neville, Juno?
Yes, Banjo.
Surprise decorations. I know what that means.
Banjo raced to the lake to find Clarence. The little girl was there too.
Hello, Clarence. Hello, little girl. Juno's putting up decorations in Neville's front room, so it must be Neville's birthday.
His birthday? Oh dear, and I haven't even got him a card.
I know what we can do for Neville's birthday, little girl. We can make him a birthday cake. Cake making. Easy. All you need is a bag of flour. There. And something that tastes nice, like bananas. In they go. Now, all we have to do is stir.
Banjo and the little girl stirred and stirred.
There. Now all we have to do is pour it into a cake tin. And wait until it's ready.
And Banjo and the little girl waited and waited. And waited and waited.
It must be ready by now. I'll hold the plate, little girl, and you can tip the tin upside down. Oops, that's not right, is it? I think we better go and ask Gertie to help us.
Of course I'll help you to make a birthday cake. I didn't know it was Neville's birthday.
This'll be a lovely surprise for him, just like Juno's decorations.
It will, Banjo. Now, making a cake. It's easy. You need some butter, some flour, some sugar, 2 eggs. You break them, little girl. There. Now, you can stir it, Banjo.
What? No bananas?
No bananas. Not in this cake, Banjo.
Banjo and the little girl took it in turns to stir. They stirred and stirred and stirred. And when the cake was all mixed up, the little girl poured it into a cake tin, and Gertie put it in the oven.
Oh, you have to bake it.
Of course you do, Banjo.
And very slowly, the cake cooked, and it grew a bit bigger, and it changed color until it was ready.
This looks delicious, Gertie.
I've put some icing on it, so it's a proper birthday cake. And because we don't know how old Neville is today, 1 candle will do. There, let's take it to Neville's house.
But it's not Neville's birthday. I'm not putting up birthday decorations. I'm decorating, putting up some new wallpaper for him. It'll be a lovely surprise.
Oh, so we've made a cake for nothing.
Well, it would be silly to waste it. Yes.